Good morning. Welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. We're out here in the gym for a Friday morning workout, and Friday mornings is shoulder day. And today we've got the shoulder press with the dumbbells in the incremental phase. So we're at sets of 11 this week, and this is week 4. Week 1 we started at sets of 8, and we've increased by 1 rep each week with the same weight of 30 pounds. And you know, the shoulders I've been having, you know, some pains with over the last couple of years, and honestly, this is the best they've felt in a long time. And the shoulder press with the 30s, I thought I would, when I first grabbed them, I thought, yeah, we'll see. But honestly, they ended up being easier than all the other lifts, so it's kind of strange. Kind of strange for that to happen on this. I'm able to actually get a good deltoid workout out of shoulder press now, as opposed to before it was just a matter of getting through the pain. So it's kind of nice to be able to actually work out the shoulders and not have to worry about just fighting through the pain all the time. So anyway, we've got that, and then we've got around the worlds with the dumbbells, and we've got front raises with the dumbbells, and then we've got our PT work, the band work, internal, external rotations, and then the shoulder stretch, the 40-second shoulder stretch that increased from 30 to 40 seconds a couple weeks ago. And you know, the shoulder stretch with the resistance with the pole up there. So we'll get that done, head out on a jog, walk jog, and come back and chat. Let's hit it, folks. Let's get this longevity training done so we can meet age with grace. Let's do it. Here we go. All right, we are on the road for Friday, so we got her done. Shoulders went well. I got sets of 11 done fairly easily. I don't know, I felt like going up today, but again, I'm just trying to take it easy on the shoulder, make sure it gets through. Pretty sure I could finish the rest with the 35s, but you know, 10-pound jump or 5-pound jump on each shoulder. I don't know, it could be a bit. Once I go up, I don't want to go down, so that's the biggest reason I haven't gone up to the 35s on the shoulder, just the mental barrier of, yeah, I can do it, but then do I need to continue doing it, or should I just put them down and continue with the 30s? I know I'm getting work out of the 30s. Maybe next week, or definitely on the last week, depending on how easy it is on the sets of 13, I'll probably increase, definitely on week 5 or week 6, I mean. So anyway, auxiliaries went well, around the worlds and front raises felt good. Same weights, 10 pounds on the around the worlds and 15 pounders on the front raises. And then the band work, internal, external, that always feels good after you've done good therapy. And the shoulder stretch with resistance. Resistance is getting more and more each week, so, and getting easier and easier to get into that stretch position, especially in my left shoulder. My left shoulder is the one I struggle with the most. Right shoulder's doing pretty good, left shoulder a little bit behind, but they are doing well. So anyway, and then the jog. I got on this train and I don't know how to get off. Broke 11:30, I'm 11:23 today, and I didn't intend to get that low, but I intended to shorten my walk stretches. So I didn't walk on this end at all, and I did my normal walk on this end, maybe a little less than what I normally do on this end. And so very short, one very short walk interval. So it was almost 100% jog. So, I mean, if I walked 150 yards, I'd be surprised. I think it's more like maybe a 100-yard walk, and then I picked up jogging again. And definitely when I got going back this way, I lengthened the stride. Didn't increase the cadence, I just lengthened the stride. Went from I don't know, my son calls it the Ranger Shuffle, to keep yourself going. I do more than a Ranger Shuffle, but my jog is pretty short steps. So I lengthened my stride, kept the same cadence, and made it in and got to the 11:23 mark. So I probably maybe increased my cadence a little bit when I got closer to home, when I saw I was definitely under the 11:39 that we did yesterday. Thought, hey, I can break 11:30, I think. So didn't know I was gonna break it that far, 11:23. So pretty happy with that. Feel pretty good jogging. So never have been a runner my whole life, and this is probably the most I've ran contiguously in a long, ever, since high school probably. So anyway, getting long-winded, we'll let you guys go. We'll be back out tomorrow for the ab burner, and we're increasing for 45-second intervals to 50-second intervals tomorrow. So we'll see how that impacts me, and if I can finish all of 15 exercises at 50 seconds. So anyway, we'll let you guys go. You guys have a great Friday, a great weekend. Be safe, get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace. Take care, see ya.